Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on Pomo functions and set settings on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Log in by using your Touch ID or passcode that you have set to your account. After that, click on the fourth option down below. Click on this icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on Pomo settings. Here you should select the timer options such as the Pomo duration ranging from 5 minutes to 180 minutes. You can select the short break duration, long break duration, and long break every. So like every 1 pomos or 60 pomos. Then in the auto mode section you can select the auto start of next Pomo function, auto start of break, and auto Pomo cycle, meaning that Pomo will automatically end after specified times. It only works when auto mode is fully turned on. In the ringtone section you can select the ringtone of Pomo ending, break ending, and vibration duration as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.